welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 7. In this video, I will show you how to stop BIGO Live notifications. For that, you need to open your BIGO application. In this home page, click on that human icon below in the right. Then you will be guided to this page. Here you will see settings icon at the top right corner. Click on it and it will take you to another page where you will be able to see the notification option. Tap on it. These are all the notifications that you are getting by enabling them. You disable all of them, you won't get any notifications from this app. So go ahead and click on them to disable them. Once you're all done, you won't get any notification from this app. So this is how you stop BIGO Live notifications. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.